This is the preliminary data that just came in from the National Weather Service office. Now, some folks have already been commenting, there's no way, winds were higher at my house, and this is very preliminary. And again, the Weather Service admits they're looking into even more data, and some of these numbers may change, but they also may find higher numbers. One of the highest wind gusts was at Dulac at 138 miles per hour. But what's very interesting, I'm kind of asking the Weather Service to really verify this, is Mandeville saw a wind gust of 124 miles an hour, 120 mile an hour winds at Galliano. Now, here are the surge levels. Now, thankfully, again, will be analyzed and we may find some higher numbers. Really didn't see the highest of those forecast numbers that we could have easily seen. Black Bay and Plaquemines Parish, 12 feet, 9, almost 10 feet in Delacroix. Madisonville actually had a surge of 8.5 feet. So that surge is even able to make it into Lake Pontchartrain and sometimes can be fairly significant and almost similar to what you would see along the coastline. Again, we'll continue to see that data come in over the coming days and may have to update that over time. We do have some showers and thunderstorms. If there was any relief, maybe a couple of cooling showers, but with so much damage around, you don't really want any rainfall. Had some heavy storms across St. Tammany, which are just for the most part gone. South of Hammond, a fairly decent thunderstorm. Looks like it's kind of building more toward Livingston and weakening over Lake Maurepas. Had some light rain around Laplace, and then also some scattered thunderstorms around Schriever. Looks like it is starting to weaken, at least in terms of the lightning, and then also some thunderstorms around the Terrio down toward Cocodrie area. Most of these showers will be weakening over the next few hours, and it looks like a quieter night tonight. Then as we get into tomorrow morning and probably through the day, a few more scattered showers, thunderstorms, and about a 40-50% chance, and then we start to dry out. And Friday will be a much drier day. 84 degrees right now, not bad. Our heat index is 90 degrees, but that is because of clouds and rainfall. High temperatures did get into the upper 80s. We might have hit 90 degrees. We are going to see another hot day tomorrow. Again, not excessively so, but because of the lack of air conditioned and the fact that so many folks are exerting themselves, heat illnesses are going to be a little bit more commonplace. So just use caution. Might have a slight drop in that humidity as we get toward the end of the week. Temperatures right now, rain-cooled air at reserve at 79. Some slightly drier air is on the way thanks to an upper trough moving away, but an upper ridge which will start to build in. What this upper ridge is also going to help to do is dry us out, so our rain chances will be diminishing. You can see that drier air surging in. However, it's not going to be a significant drop in dew points. Here's the dew point forecast. Wednesday into Thursday, not much. Dew points are in the low 70s, but as we head toward Friday and the weekend, our dew points start dropping into the upper 60s. It's a little something, but it does help. I do want to have a quick check of the tropics because there is a couple of areas that we're watching. One that has a low chance of development, that is in the Western Caribbean. And then we also have Tropical Storm Larry, which is quickly strengthening. The good news with Larry is that while it's strengthening and will likely become a major hurricane, it does appear as though this is going to stay out over the open waters. But that little invest that we're watching, computer models are starting to pick up on it. At the moment, it looks like the general motion will be just further into Central America, but there is one or two models that does bring it into the Bay of Campeche. It'll be something to watch, and actually the hurricane hunters will be going to investigate it tomorrow. We're clearing out though, and better weather is on the way. I wish I could say cooler weather, but a little less humid for Friday, more so into the weekend, and then just some isolated showers as we head into Labor Day and early next week.